In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Ghibli-style photo using ChatGPT. First, we'll begin by opening up a web browser and heading over to Google. Once you're there, type in ChatGPT into the search bar. This should bring up a list of results. And what you're looking for is the official ChatGPT website. Click on it to proceed. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you will see a plus sign icon, which allows you to start a new project or add elements to an existing one. Click on this plus sign, as it is your gateway to uploading the photos that you want to transform into a stunning Ghibli-style image. In the context of the ChatGPT environment, adding photos is intuitive and seamless. Just make sure the images you're working with are of good quality to enhance the final output. After adding your photo, the next step involves creating a prompt. This is where you need to instruct the AI on what you want it to do. For our project, you will want to specifically create a Studio Ghibli-style photo. Type in exactly that, "Create a Studio Ghibli-style photo," into the prompt input area. It's crucial to keep your instruction clear and precise, as this helps the AI understand exactly what you're expecting in terms of style and output. Now, once your prompt is ready, it's time to click on the plus sign icon again. This time, you'll want to choose the option that says Create Image. This function processes your prompt with the added photos and starts generating your desired image using the sophisticated AI algorithms. The technology behind this enables the conversion of ordinary photos into artistic renditions inspired by the iconic Studio Ghibli style, known for its vibrant colors and whimsical designs. Next up, you'll need to click on the Submit button. This action finalizes your instructions and informs the AI that you're ready for it to start processing. Depending on the complexity and number of photos you uploaded, this might take a little time. So be patient. The AI will work its magic, rendering a Ghibli-style transformation of your image that aligns with the nostalgic animations we all admire from Studio Ghibli films. And there you have it. Once the process is complete, your Ghibli art-style photo is done. You can now view, save, and share your unique creation. It's as simple as that. This method is not only fun, but also a creative way to explore the capabilities of AI in art generation. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough and are excited to see the beautiful Ghibli-style photos you can create with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching.